Hi there. Welcome back to the PWR video series. Today we're going to talk with our expert Mike about... Mike, what are you doing? You promised me magic today. You got everything taken apart. Wait, you're going to put it back together by magic, right?
Actually, what I promised you today was the magic sound.
Oh, the magic sound.
Magic sound.
Oh, okay. What's that about?
So basically, there's air in the pump.
Okay.
Because it sits on the shelf.
Right.
Okay. And you have to get the air out of the pump.
Sure.
And when you get the air out of the pump, it makes this magic sound.
Well, how does the air get out?
So when a pump turns, it's got to turn fast enough to sling these little blades out.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Okay. Once it starts slinging the little blades out, the air is coming out, okay? And the fluid's coming in, and that's when the pump actually starts pumping.
Right.
Okay. It is critical to spin it fast enough to make these little veins come out.
Okay.
Okay. Now, there's air in the pump and it makes this noise.
Right.
Once the pump gets the air out, it makes a very loud noise and then it quiets down.
All right.
Okay. It is critical to rev the pump fast enough to get these little veins to come out.
Right.
And then once they come out, you have to slow down the RPMs and let it idle to get the rest of the air out.
All right.
Okay.
So the magic sound is your signal to slow down the RPMs.
That's right. We have a test lab, and
Okay.
in this test lab, we have this great equipment that shows this very well.
Cool, let's watch.
At PWR, we test a lot of pumps. And here, we have mounted a GM pump to our tester to simulate what we call the magic sound. We've got the engine at around 1,000 RPMs, and you're about to hear it. There it is, the magic sound. Immediately, we need to reduce the RPMs back down to idle. The pump is now forcing the air out, and the fluid is taking its place. Here, we've mounted an import pump, and when it approaches 1,000 RPMs, you'll hear it, the magic sound. The vanes have extended, and the pump is working properly.
So see, Jim, that's how we know the magic sound.
Yeah, it's very cool, and I got to hear the magic sound, which
Yes.
is great. So tell me this, Mike, is it the same for all pumps?
It's the same for all pumps. This is a GM pump, and as you can see, the rotor is a little bit bigger, but it's the same thing. It's got to spin fast enough to make these little blades come out.
Okay,
And that's what's going to pick up the fluid and push it through the pump.
I see.
And once the air is out, you hear the magic sound, then you lower the RPMs and let the rest of the air out because now it's pumping fluid through, okay?
Right, right.
The air in the pump damages the pump. So it's important to lower the RPMs. If you keep revving, you'll wear the little blades out and then the pump will not be good anymore.
So actually the magic in the magic sound is because it's your signal to slow down those RPMs.
That's exactly right.
Okay, and then once that happens, what's the last step?
The last step would be to bleed the system.
And that is the subject of another video. We'll see you on that one from the PWR video series.
Thanks for watching our PWR Steer video series. And please check out our other videos. And remember, our products are 100% new, 100% tested, engineered in Memphis, Tennessee.